What is up? We have an unboxing. Okay, it's a really cool unboxing today. So Stackmat and Tengyun, hopefully, maybe. Okay. Timer. Let's open more phone. It's a pretty good package. Let's get the timer out first, just to have a look. Oop. Okay. Timer. First speed stacks timer. Might not come with batteries. Batteries. Okie dokie. Batteries. Okay, that's enough. Here we are. It's a regular speed stack timer. It's nice to have one now. Okie dokie. Let's get into the main attraction, I guess. The Dayan Tengyun M. Why is the packaging like this? Oh, it's Tengyun M. There it is. Oh! It came with some free lube. I didn't... Something most reviews so far and unboxings of it haven't shown before. That's cool. The pamphlet. Oh, there's stuff in it. I assume... Let's have a look. Oh, there's the extra spring set, so that's nice. And the Tengyun M. Oh, it looks great. I don't know if there's lube there. It looks like it. Yeah, it's got like sticky stuff all over it. Let's open it. Oh, it's reasonably lubed. Got some nice quality unbranded tissue paper here, so let's just give it a wipe down. Oh, it's so slimy. Clean this out. Let's see. It's turning. Damn, that's quiet. Oh, lube's just getting on. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this. Focus. There's a bit of lube on the outside. The tensions are pretty loose. Oh, I just got a corner twist. That's interesting. Overall, let's see the corner cutting. Damn. The corner cutting is... Like, I already don't mind like kind of subpar corner cutting cubes to what I've seen people prefer. Like, my cubes don't corner cut that completely everywhere. So, this will be overkill. It's extremely smooth. I love the feel of the cube. It's just kind of slimy from the lube right now. I wish they didn't put so much lube in. It's interesting though that they included more lube. What's this? Oh, it's in Mandarin. Size. Interesting. Very smooth. Like it doesn't sound smooth, but it feels very smooth. The magnet's quite weak. It's very you can't feel one of yourself or anything. And the corner cutting is oh. Really nice. From this basic testing, I haven't done any solves yet. Speaking of solves, let's do a solve. Maybe a bit. I'm doing this behind the camera, so it may be a bit of a slow time, but let's see. It's very lubey on the outside. 10.5. Overall, I like the feel and like how quiet it is. I might bring this to class or something once I set it up. But it's too lubed out of the box, my word. And they even include extra lube for some reason. Let's take a look at the pieces, shall we? The pieces... There's a very large bit of gap there, and then there's this little kind of sticky out bit or something. It looks similar to maybe a Moyu type mechanism or something like that. The stalk is very thin on the corner piece. I couldn't see in that speed cube nowadays. I'm having to clean this again. Let's do another solve. It's very loose. I have to tighten it too. I can't control it right now, it's too fast. Oof. But overall, it feels very nice. And, like, the corner cutting is superb. Just the outside feels really slimy. It kind of deforms a bit. Like, if I leave it, I leave it and then it still stays deformed. So far, though, it feels very nice. It's smooth. Corner cutting is nice. And it's very quiet, which is good, because I need a quiet, especially if you have like a noisy, if you have family or friends or roommates or something that don't like your sound that you're cubing, this might be an option. Although I've heard the Dayan X, which I don't own, and I've tried, it's pretty reasonably quiet too. This is a reason, but for 20 bucks, it's not that bad, considering the Dayan is like 60. Its corner cutting's great, comes 2 lubed out of the box, accessories are reasonable, smooth, light magnets, deforms a bit. Other than that, I think that wraps it up for today. Oh, also the Stackmat's just pretty nice. Regular Stackmat does its job. Expect a review of the Tengyun M soon. Once I set it up and everything, might change the springs around. I've heard what seems to be maybe the shorter springs of the set might be better, so I'll try the different spring sets out. Until then, thanks for watching, and goodbye. I guess, maybe leave a like or subscribe or something, I don't know. Stay tuned for a review on this, and why would I review a Stackmat? Why did people review a Stackmat? Okay, bye.